Hello and welcome to another video by 8mm base. Today I'm going to open up and have a look at the Citroen C3 WRC 2018 124 model. This one comes with the night race parts as well and photo etched. So without further ado, let's take a look and see what's inside this box. So I really like this model. You got a nice picture on the side there, a bit more information on the back, and another Citroen there. So let's open this one up, have a look. I have also got hold of the Hyundai as well, the i20. I will be doing a video on that one as well. So you get a nice set of decors with the carbon fibre, which is quite nice. I've not done a Belkits kit before, so it's the first time I've opened this one up and had a look. So it's nice to see the carbon fibre there. Looking forward to doing this model here. So get that in there. You get, oh, looks like they've done something wrong. We've got a little bit of instruction of what's been changed and altered. You then have the instructions, which we'll have a look at afterwards. Put this one side for a minute, and then you have the plastic goodness inside, obviously. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sprues to go through, and then there's like some rubber bits there as well, and then the photo etched. So if I bring this a bit closer, you can see there you get, there's like some sort of radiator grills there, disc brake bits there, more brakes there. Looks like some more grills at the front, which is quite nice, more discs. And then you get the seat belt there, oh, and some other bits on the back. Looks like some bits there and some window covers when you paint them, so that's good when you spray. So you get a little bit of photo etched, which is always nice, because then you have to pay for extra. You've got rubber bits, so you've got the tyres, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tyres, nice bit of rubber there. I'm not sure what these are all rubbery bits though, I've not seen this sort of thing before. It's a little bit different to what I'm used to. Lots of pipe on that one. And then we've got all these bits. Let's open these up and have a look inside. Like an open that is. Oh, there we go. So, looks like we've got some body panels here. Looks like some spoilers. That's the rear diffuser. Must be the front piece. A nice white. Looks all clean, which is really, really nice on that piece there. And then got, won't open this for a moment, but you've got all the glass, roof, lights. The lights there for the night ones at the front, which is quite nice. Bits of glass lenses on that one. And you've got the chrome pieces there. It looks quite nice. Wheels, 5 of those obviously, one to go inside. Quite nice, nice detail. Bring up a bit. See, it's nice there, nice detail on those. Then you've got another piece here. Let's open up. Oh, not the camera, don't want to do that. Right. And then we've got obviously the bars there, the roll cage, sorry, bit there which looks like the it must be the front. It's not really coming out very well. So zoom in a bit better on that. I think it's trying to get what's underneath it more. It's not really, oh, that's not going to work because with my hand in the way. It's not really picking up on that. It's not going very well on this one, is it? Let's see if we move out of the way for a minute. Let's see if that helps. So I can focus in on it now. Oh, my camera's just not working at the moment. Come on. There we go. No, it's not brilliant. Then you've got the old steering wheel and bits there, which is quite nice, with old bars. And then you got the bottom bit, suspension, brake pads. I've got a nice bit of detail, there you see, a nice bit of detail on the back, so that's quite nice. And then what I've got another one here. Oh. And then you've got the spoilers, and then other parts that I'm not completely sure what they're all for, but we'll have to see on that one. And then part of an engine, which is quite nice. Another part of the top, doors, 2 seats in that one, and that's quite nice there as well. All nice white. And then we've got the box, which has the body kit in it, which is there, and that does look nice, I have to say. I'm looking forward to painting this one. I do like rally cars, and that's that one there. And that's everything that comes in the box for this kit. And then move that to one side. Then got the instructions, which hopefully it will focus. There we go. Shows how to build it. Obviously the tyres. These are really cool instructions, nicely detailed, which is quite nice. Nice and big as well. This is actually a lot better than the Tamiya ones, I have to say. Lots and lots of detail. I am going to do the night vision one, or not night vision, the night version. Sorry. I think the night version looks so much better. A bit more on there on the interior bits, steering wheel, how it's done, body work, body kit, and then obviously how it's the transfer's gone, and then obviously you've got how you put on the night lights, which I think look really cool, and I'm going to do the night one. I think it looks so much better than just a standard version, and that's what I'm going to do there. And then you've just got a bit more on the back. That is a Citroen WRC. I hope you like and subscribe.